Right, just wanted to introduce you to fuse connectors. So first of all, we have a 1500 volt fuse connection, and we have multiple amp options with these. And then we have the 1000 volt fuse connection. And these are perfect for protecting a ground mount or any solar system where there is easy access. We wouldn't recommend using these types of inline solar connectors when you're doing a domestic house or something where you cannot get access. So this is a standard straight connector. This is a locking type, so they cannot be undone without a key, which is the current IET Code of Practice favoured connector. To fuse down, and the fuse is already sitting inside here, to fuse down, you very simply just undo your straight connector and pop your connector on like that. Job done. And that's 1000 volts of protection there, and you can put this between every panel, every other panel, and what will happen then is if there is a problem or a fault or an over voltage in your system, the fuse will blow and it will protect your system. So no cable being burned out, no connectors being burned out, basically a safe system. This time with the 1500 volts. So that was 1000 volt. There you go. Put that to one side. Here's your 1500 volt. There's the 1500 volt fuse. And again, very, very simple. In and in. And there you go. You fused it down. That's an inline fuse connector, and it's there to protect a solar system. And you can put as many or as little as these fuses into a system as you like. But that's basically it. Any questions? Visit 𝗘𝗲𝗃𝗀𝗃𝗃 and get in touch with us on the contact page. Cheers.